uprising, the real revolutionary sound. Scream, scream. This is uprising sound, real revolution sound. From Babylon to the ground. We're telling them uprising. Scream at the top of your voice and say no. Babylon can't make uprising get no. Even if the world will believe like Jungle, uprising say no. Did you know the ghetto youth can get murdered by police every day? It happens every day. And did you know that there are millions who are hungry but still food are not straight? It happens every day. And did you know that children working in a big people job for no pay? It happens every day. And did you know some people living their life by gunfight just a pray to see another day? So we say stop, bury your head in the sand and take a look around at the situation. One sound against the world can right every wrong. Just kill me and go spread a little information. Uprising up to spread a positive vibration. Make some people see them and think, hold a meditation. Take this into consideration. Right now's the time to scream at the top of your voice and say no. Babylon system can make me go. Even if the world will believe like Jungle, little Whistler say no, 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 no. Scream at the top of your voice and say no. Uprising so Rasta, no we now bow, no, 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 no. Because a million more will follow. Let me tell you now, start uprising sound. Uprising sound. We're just here to make the people them aware for certain things that's taking place. Can't make it all and cut to waste. And if you're there till then you're here, we are gonna share a little knowledge in the place. Can't make it all and cut to waste. Mama, wipe the tears from your eye. I don't know why we say no children to die. Based on this bag of them political life. Every day they come and sell them some pie. They not try to cool the war. They sit down on the sideline and fuel the war. Them selling them guns and ammunition, selling them rockets and tanks. Just to put another 50 billion in the bank, you have to scream at the top of your voice and say no. Babylon system can make you go. Even if the world will believe like Jungle, uprising say no, 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 no.